What's up, guys? Today we're going to be modeling stuff for the new game, Citytown, that you guys have seen kind of teased around in the Discord server. You guys can watch me make new stuff for it, and then also give me live feedback, which is nice. So hopefully you guys will find this interesting, or at least help me out and give me some feedback. Just give me a minute to post some stuff in the Discord server so other people join. But once I get that done, we're going to get started. I have a list, actually, of a bunch of stuff that I'm going to make because Sam's working me to death. Let me just post this stuff real quick. Lots of questions. The game is going to release the 9th, so Monday. I'll be here if you say I'm cool, you're cool. Yeah. The game's going to release the 9th, so in 3 days. So you guys can get excited for that. In the meantime, you can watch me kind of work on it a little bit. All right, and then one last thing. Cool, we can get started now. So I have a whole list actually right here of things I'm going to make. I have businesses and then housing and then also just other stuff. But first we're going to get this set up and we're going to test it in the game. So our game works off of a 5x5 grid system. So in order for this to work, I have to put it on a 5x5 palette or in intervals of 5. So let's just do this. Let's go to size and we'll set it to 5x5 like that. So you see it's a 5x5. And now we just got to make it fit the hotel accordingly. I'm going to add a sign to this hotel later. It's just roughly the design. Just be kind of mindful of the plot that you're taking up with this. That'll be fine, and then let me just reposition this hotel real quick. Like this. That should fit on it pretty fine. Yeah, it looks fine. If I wanted to, I can increase it a little bit, but I think I'll let those overhang. Oops. Citytown like Bloxburg? A little bit. If you guys just watch a little bit, I'll show you guys kind of a demo of me playing it a little. Let me anchor this and I'll group it together. And now I'm going to name it hotel. And I'm going to set a primary part. Sorry, I'm ear raping you guys right now. Let me fix that for you. Okay, that should be better. Set the primary part to the this palette that we added. And then all I got to do is add it to replicated storage and then under game objects and then loaded items. And then I just got to add it to our module just like this. This is going to be ID number 40. It's the 40th item we've added. And then we're going to change the name to hotel. Category is going to be housing or house. What did we call that? House? Let me check before I put it wrong. Housing, that's what I thought. Category is going to be housing. The price, how much should this hotel cost? It's not like Bloxburg. Very different. We're going to make it cost $1,000 to buy a hotel. And the population it's going to give you is, let's do 100. Workers, let's give it 30. And then a description, just a nice hotel. Oops. Now let's double check our hotel and make sure that the palette and primary part's right. It's 30 by 30. Yep, that should be good. And now we can just test it out. Hit play. and I'll show you guys kind of the mechanics of the game. Okay. Ignore that. Okay. Now if I hit shop, it should show up in housing, which it did. You can see the hotel right here. So if I want to place it, oh, I forgot to anchor it. See, I knew I was forgetting something. Studio getting a little buggy on me. Bloxburg town. Not really. It's like Bloxburg, you can build individual stuff, you know what I mean? Like you can build your house and stuff, but this you build like an entire town, if that makes sense. Like Bloxburg, you can build your house. Why is this being so annoying right now? Bloxburg, you can build like your houses and stuff, but you can't make an entire friggin' town. And then we also have like, oops, whatever. Okay, let's hit play. I'll show you guys. So the game's based off of like your population, like you're the mayor of a city kind of, and you want to increase the population of your city in order to level up and stuff. You can buy stuff for your city. Let's just place this hotel. Yeah, it should be working fine. So you need 30 more population to build this, so we gotta build some housing. Let's just place an apartment. Pretty fun. But yeah, that hotel's working fine. Lots to choose from the shop. Working on more. Yeah, should be good. Ew, what is that outfit? No, please don't roast me. What the? See, why is this pausing every time I get out of testing? Doesn't matter, because we're going to work on our next building. So I have a car dealership planned, and I also have a pizza place, a pet store, let's see here, a gas station. I think I'm going to work on the gas station right now. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat which one I should make. Please don't ban me. Good Lord. This is okay, buddy. Yeah, we're gonna make the gas station real quick. Just gonna pull up a reference. Let's go to oops. Then we'll just pull up like trying to find one with a building. These should be fine. Yeah, just like a building and then a like gas station area is what I want to make. So let's do the shed looking thing first, or not shed, like the overhang, whatever. All right, so I'm going to show you all the simplest way to make a friggin' building. We're going to make the gas station building first. We're going to S to scale it up. Grab a face on the side and drag it over. Drag this one down. We're going to go to, I'm going to switch to solid shading so you guys can see better. Scale it down. Now we're going to insert faces. And we're going to drag it up. Now I like mine stylized, so I'm just going to drag the top up a little bit to create this cartoony look. Drag it down. Extrude. Scale it out. Oops. Scale it out. Drag it down. Extrude. And scale it in. So you see we have a cool roof. And then that look. Now I'll show you the simplest way to make windows as well. Add a cube. Just get it over here for me to edit. Oops. Okay, we're going to scale it up. Bring this side in so it's thinner. We're going to insert a face. And we're going to hit E to extrude and just drag it in, just like that. So you see we have a window shape. This is awfully thick, so we're just going to fix that, just like this. Right? Now this is awfully square. We're going to stylize it a little bit. We're going to select the bottom face, enable proportional editing, and just scale it in, just like that. Give it kind of like a cartoony look. You can do the same for the top if you want to scale it out a little bit. That should be good. Now gas stations have wide windows, so we're going to hit S and then Y, and we're just going to scale it out a little bit, just like that. And then you can put it on the building now if you want to. If it's too big like mine is right now, just hit S and scale it down. You can edit it how you need to from here. Don't forget to disable proportional editing. I just forgot to. Oops. You can do it this way as well. Just like that. Should be fine. Right, now we're going to need a door, maybe another window, and then one more on the side. And then I want to put like a box type thing up here. Good. Should I be watching this while driving? Hold up. Do you get paid for doing this? I make money off of our games. Shift D. Let's rotate this on the that Z axis, 90 degrees. And you see the origin's off. It should be on top of the geometry. So just hit Control Alt Shift C and geometry to origin, just like that. And now you see the origins on the geometry. Would it be helpful for anybody trying to learn if I put like what keys I press on the stream? You guys can just see live what buttons I'm hitting. We're just gonna rotate that. And then you can line it up with the building. Now that's awfully dramatic for a window, but whatever. Shift D to duplicate, rotate on the Z-axis 180 degrees, and just move it over to the other side. I probably should have colored those windows before. You know what, I'm gonna do that. You can make the door the same way you made the windows. I'll show you guys how to do that. Hit U and Smart UV Project. Open up your color palette. And you can just color it whatever color you want. I typically make the rim like a gray color. And then here you can go to texture to see what color it is. And then I'm going to make the inside of the window like a light blue gray color. Like that. For this, I'm going to... Oops. Alright. We're going to Smart UV project it. And what color should the gas station be, guys? Let me know. I'll let you guys pick. What color do we want this gas station? This choice will forever change the game, so make it count. What am I using to build this? I'm using Blender to 3D model this. Anybody have a color preference? I think an orange might be cool. How do you guys feel about this orange color? Oops. When are you going to work on car models? I was about to work on them after I finish up a couple buildings because we're kind of behind. A lot of people are saying blue. We can do some blues. Let's see here. Is that a good blue? So what I'm going to do is make the base a gray color. And then all these walls we're going to make blue. Just like this. Just select them all these faces, and just hit G and grab it, and we brought it to a blue. Is that a good color for the gas station? We can even make the bottom, like this little rim, we can make it like a tan, like for some rock work. Is that what it's called? Let's see here. Let's find a good one. Like maybe right here. Or even like a red or something. I don't know. Should I just leave it gray? What do you guys think? Casino? No. Oh, gas station. If that's a bank, add a $sign. I haven't made a bank yet. I actually have a whole list of stuff planned. Yeah, lots to do. Leave it gray? Okay, I will. If you choose a regrettable color, you can just hit B, box select those, and then drag it back to the other color you want. Just like that. We're going to get those windows back on there. Shift D to duplicate, R to rotate, and do 90 degrees. Oops. Control Alt Shift C. To fix your origin. And this window is pretty big, but that's kind of how I want it. You guys can make it however you want, if you want to follow along. I'm just going to delete that one and copy and paste this one. Rotate on the Z axis 90 degrees. You can hit Control Alt Shift C, fix your origin, and just position it how you want it. That should be fine. Then we'll slap a door in there. Shift D. That was the world's laziest way of ever making a door, but you know what? It's okay. I was thinking about making this top like rim area like a darker shade of blue. And I think I'm going to try that real quick and just see if we like that. I think that'll be fine. For the bottom, I'm going to make it look more stylized, so I'm just going to scale this out a little bit. Give it like some odd lines to it. That should be fine. And now we're going to make the actual gas station. What are you guys' thoughts on this tiny little building? Probably should put a doorknob for realism. Does this look like realism? This is definitely realism's finest. What if I extrude this? Do like that and make it look like the stripe was a pattern. I make this gray. Like, so it's a roof effect. Let's just drag that there and see how it looks. How do we like that? like a roof type thing. Oops, we can make it like out like the bottom. I kind of like that. Yeah, no. That looks weird, probably. Well, I'm gonna slap a sign here anyways, so it doesn't matter. I'm leaving that for now. Okay, now I'm gonna do the big tall thing. Let's get this out of the way for a second. First, you make the posts. These are easy to make. I don't feel like explaining, so just watch. Like that. If you want to color it as you go, you can. Okay, now we'll need like 6 of them, I think. Go out of edit mode because it's annoying. Make it as tall as you want it. That should be fine. Shift D to duplicate. That should be fine. Just like that. Right? Let me check. Oh, we only needed like 4. Well, 6 works. And then it goes between the things. Oh, frick. So if it's going between, like the pump will go between, then we need decent spacing in the middle. So let's just move these. Just like that. Make a PG strip club. Oh, actually, do you guys want to know a fun story? I went to buy some assets for the game, and I bought an asset pack, and me and Sam are going to use it. And so I uploaded it to Roblox, and I got warned. We didn't notice that it said strip club, drugstore, XXX girls. Like, I could have got banned for this because I'm such an idiot, and I didn't check the decal when I uploaded it. So we fixed it. Here's our fix. Jesus Club, Bible Store, female, non-binary. That was funny. I was like, please, no, don't ban me. I'm just an idiot, I promise. Now we gotta do the top of the thing. I'm so descriptive, aren't I? Add a cube. Expand it out as long or whatever as you want it. And move it up. You know how gas stations look. Just for a stylized look, I'm going to bring mine in and give it kind of an odd angle. Extrude it one more time and scale it out. Just like that. Now I'm going to make this a bit shorter. Actually, I got a better idea. Let's do that. And then we're going to insert a face. Extrude it. Then extrude again. Click and then scale out. Extrude it. And scale it out. Now this is looking like kind of too thick. So what I'm going to do is scale it on the z-axis down. Back up. And just make sure it's long enough. Should be fine. Alright, now if you want to color this now, you can. That's what I'm going to do, so feel free to follow along. Use a Smart UV project. Open up your image. Where did I save it? Here. And then just scale it down to your primary color, which is going to be a gray for me. And then just take this stripe and make it whatever color you chose your gas station to be. If you want to make a sign, you can, but I'm going to make the sign as a separate asset so people can buy it separately. Just make it like a dark stripe, just like that. So you got your little gas station and the thing. Oops. Select it all and you can position it accordingly. Just going to make sure that's kind of centered. Should be fine. Cool, should be good. And then we need to make the pump. I need to pull up a reference because I do not remember what gas station pumps look like from the back of my head. Okay. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I just thought of something on the spot. Create a cube, edit mode, drag this face out, scale it in. Let's see here. It's going to do. So I want mine to be like blue right here and then have a little area. Okay. Here's the plan. We're going to go to mesh tools and insert a face and extrude it in a little bit. And I don't want it to be so dramatic like this, the frame. So I'm just going to hit S and scale it down just like that. You'll see what I mean later. We're going to extrude this. Insert faces and do that. I'm just going to drag this one forward so it has kind of an angled look to it. Just like that. You can enable proportional editing and drag this up. That's what I'm going to do. And you can color it as you go. I'm just going to make it a gray. And make this a blue, like I was saying earlier. And then this maybe, we're going to insert some geometry to make it look kind of like a paying thing. Oops, disable proportional editing. And just select this face and we'll press E and extrude it out a little bit. Should be fine. If you want to, you can do this. Select this face. We're going to subdivide and then extrude, scale it in, extrude, scale it in. Just trying to add some geometry here, but I don't feel like giving it actual detail. Just look like there's a thing, you know what I mean? Sure. I decided to make that flat. Oops. Let's disable professional editing. And then you can like fix these if you want, if that bugs you. Just do the thing, you know. It doesn't really matter. Insert, hit X actually. Delete whatever I just inserted. Insert a cube, go into edit mode, and we're gonna add those two things that stick up. Where the f did they go? Oh, to the side. That's what I thought. Okay. Now let's add the thing. We can do a circle. And we're just gonna do it this way. Watch this epic gamer moment. Go into edit mode. Oops. Select the circle. Then go into edit mode. We're gonna go to vertice or go to edges. Select all these edges and just drag it over. No, we're gonna scale it on the x-axis actually. Just like that. Edit mode. F to fill. E to extrude. And then just like position that however you want. Oops. Okay, now let's scale that down and out. Okay. I can see it clipping through right there, so we'll have to fix that in a minute. Now this is just like the rough shape, and then we have to make it more stylized in a minute, or else it's not gonna flow well with the rest of the build. S to scale it down, and I'm just gonna make it a gray, like there. Select all faces, smart UV project, hit OK. Then you gotta open up your palette again. That's off center too, so we gotta fix that. Okay, now let's fix this. Just gotta do the thing. Don't forget these. This is like tall. Okay. Can you shut up, Christina? Here, look. That's intentional. Look at this. The bottom, it curves out, right? The top, it curves out. It's like an hourglass type thing. It's intentional, and I'm trying to use odd angles and like make them look good. It's the art. And you can suck my toes, honestly, because I really don't care what you have to say. I'm gonna make this awkward too. I'm gonna make everything awkward angles just to make Christina mad. You see, that comes up. I'm gonna make this bottom come out too. Just everything looking. That should be pretty good. Control J to join them all. And just place them in your little things, areas. Dude, look at the bottom of that pump. Hot. Thanks, Taylor. No, please stop this awkward pain. Oh, the agony. Dude, it's intentional. This is a let's play on how to make a game for Sam, sure. Okay, Control Alt Shift C to fix the origin. Why do I keep hitting that? I'm sorry, let me fix that. Okay, now we're gonna go origin to geometry. Oops. And we're just gonna put the thick pumps at all the things. Shift D to duplicate. Should I put it on both sides? I forget how pumps work. Okay, here. Oops. And then Shift D, R on the x-axis, 90 degree. Oh, oops. That would have been 180 degrees. I'm sorry, I'm not good at math. Just kind of make it between those holes, and you see we got like a pump on each side, which is fine. Shift D to duplicate those two, and then just do it for each of the poles. Just like that. Should be good. All right, let's drag it all over to Roblox, export as wavefront object, and name it gas station. And I'm gonna make other color variations too, because not everybody wants a blue gas station. It's really easy to change the colors. Let's just pull in the one that we have. Gas station, open up. Okay, scale it up. And then we gotta add the texture. It should be here. Now I gotta look for it because I can't sort anything for the life of me. Come out wherever you are. Here it is. Yep. That's so helpful. Studio's been so buggy ever since that Roblox outage. The mesh is here, but the texture won't import. So let's see what's up with that, I guess. Let me close Studio real quick. And then reopen it. Are you guys seriously messaging me on Discord to fix the... Shut up! No, I'm not fixing the roof! You guys are killing me. Oops. Okay, let's see here. Now, why won't this texture work? Y'all are giving me angle issues. That too, I guess. Is it me? What in the heck? There we go. See, we've got a gas station that doesn't look bad. Just make sure it's just like proportional and that cars will actually fit. You know what I mean? Like, could a car squeeze in there? You gotta ask yourself that question. So I'm a little bit stupid for putting pumps on two sides. And not... Okay. So now we have a problem, because I'm an idiot. See, character, the door's really big for the character. But I put pumps on two sides, so now it needs to fit two cars here. I mean, I could just remove a pump from the sides. I'm an idiot. I'm glad I caught on to that, though. Yeah, I'm going to remove a pump from the side. Yeah. And then just move these over. And we're going to pretend I didn't do that. And why didn't you guys stop me? This is why you use NPCs when you're modeling, because you'll make dumb proportional errors. But it's okay. Where did we put that gas station? Easy fix. No. So now we got a pump on one side, and it's proportional to the character, and a car will also fit. A car will also fit inside. See, we've got a huge brain, guys. Right? So now we need different colors, because not everybody wants a blue gas station. Maybe you want a green or an orange. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Just gonna select everything. Hit Control J, join them all. And when you go into edit mode, you can see that we have every single mesh here at once versus like all the windows and stuff being separately, which also conveniently maps all our colors on at once. So all we have to do, box select and grab it and drag it to a different color. Oops, make sure you're only box selecting these. And like if you want, I love how that's working out for me. It's wanting to move everything at once. Let's see here. Okay, so here, unselect here. Let's just do this. Okay. Why is it wanting to? Okay, buddy. Let's see if I can do it this way. That's so strange. Okay, we could do it this way. That's so weird. Let me figure this out real quick. Like when I... Okay. Nice. Just select all these faces. And you can drag it like this, because it's not letting me do it all at once, which is annoying. Actually, let me do it this way. File, let's export it as an object, right? We're going to close, and we're going to reopen. That's the easiest way to do this, I think. Just open it back up. it is. Geometry might look different, like if you go into edit mode. No, it looks the same. That's nice. You can go to texture. Open up another page. Shading UV image editor. I should. We'll do it like this now. Yes. Okay. Cool. So what color do we want this new one to be? Fix the roof. It's driving me. Fine. I'll fix the friggin' new roof. Why have I not uploaded in a couple days? Hurricane. Dog says roof. I'll fix the roof. Just tell me a color for the new gas station first. Add a Starbucks coffee shop to the side. Okay, I can... Well, not to the side of the gas station. I'll make a coffee shop, though. Let me write that down, actually. I have actually a list of stuff, like, planned. I'll show you guys it. I'll post it to general. You guys can check it. There's literally a coffee shop in game. Oh, there is? Whoops. Sometimes I forget. Yeah. Look at that. I added coffee shop here, but apparently I just did it. Lots of stuff planned. Don't make fun of my... Damn it. Not the handwriting. Okay. Tell me a color for the new coffee shop. Or, I mean, gas station. God. Orange looks kind of cool. Or like a brighter orange. Let me do this one. I like that. Like a yellow orange thing. Let's export this and bring it to Studio. Oh, we saved it as untitled. This is going to be smaller, but if you want it to be the exact same size as this one, just copy the size right here. Okay, so we got a blue and an orange. Oh, I forgot to fix the roof. Oh no, whoops. Fine. You guys give me anger issues. Is that fine? Or is this fine? I like that one. Green for Green Apple Gas Station. Okay. We're going to actually make to where you can edit your own signs. So if you guys want to name your gas station, name your gas stations, you can. See, maybe I'll stop complaining. Let's turn on ambient occlusion so you guys can see the shading. So that's what it's going to look like. Is that fine? Yes, no? Yeah, you like this roof. Make it bigger and it's good. What do you mean bigger? Like taller? Like, to match the size of this one. I don't know if I like that. Go back to old roof. Yes, no, don't. Yes, what? Ah. Wider. Robux. Make it bigger, please. What do you mean? Wider. Thicker. Like this. Is that what you mean? No? What? Love you too. Wider. Raise it up. I don't know what you mean wider. Said what? That's fine. I'm seriously not changing it after that. Like, seriously, what even? Why is left to right and back to front? Like, no! I'm seriously tired of this. You want it, like, out like this? Like that? Is that what you want? Oops. What do you mean? Remove the roof. Is this okay? Now left to right. Oh my god. I'm seriously... I'm never doing this again. Like that. That's literally what I had before. I want to go back on the stream and just pull up what I had before. Why is Nat ignoring me? I thought we were best friends. I'm everybody's best friend. Okay, now we have to export this. I'm not changing it again. Don't say anything. Y'all are all getting ignored. Like, seriously, what even? Look, that's literally what I had before. Look at this one, right? Right? Wait. Let me get over here. Let me go over here. Bruh. Y'all make me so mad. Look normal next time. No. What do you mean? Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna insert this new mesh. Did I save it as, yeah, I saved it as untitled. Whoops. And I'm gonna copy the size properties from this one. There's your perfect little gas station. Now we gotta change the blue one to be like that too. I'm gonna do a blue and a green, and then we're done with that. I'm just overriding the old one because you don't need a million different colors of the gas station saved when you can just save one. Change the size properties as well. What could she possibly be texting me? Chat lag. Yeah, you don't say. Cool. And then one more green. Should I make it green? Work on car models now? I'll do a car next. Well, actually I have something else I need to do, but then we're good. The roof that are curved outwards and pointed in. It's called stylized. Okay, we're doing green. Green roof. Or green, oh my god. Green gas station. Kinda, just do this. Christina doesn't like the bright green color. There's a supermarket bright green and she doesn't like it. Oops, we saved it as untitled. And you can see all the size properties right here. And paste them. Just like that. We have, oh, we're not gonna talk about that. We have a blue, an orange, a green. Do we want like a red one, or should we just stick to these 3 colors? I think maybe a red one just to tie it all together. Or a yellow. What do you guys think? Should these be good, or do you want another color? Red? Pink one? You can choose between like these. Well, any color you see on this palette, really. If I do a red, then it's going to be through here. Blue? We have a blue. Right? Yeah, blue. I gotta set these up too, so. A cute, soft pink. Let me even see. Color the top stripe blue. No, I really am not trying to do the most work out here, Christina. Oh, good gosh. Okay, if we have a soft pink, do we even have, like a pink would be like this? Okay, I'll do a pink just for you now. Is this favoritism, question mark? Like this? Which one, like here? This one's just for you now. I'll do one more color and that's it. Because Sam will kill me. Oh, frick. Oh, that's too bright. Let's do a softer one. Let's try there. Is that good? Green, orange, blue, whatever. Just what color to tie it all off? Coloring in game would be nice. We're actually letting people, hey Kevin, we're letting people customize the color of their cars. So like if I wanted this, you guys get to choose these. So if you guys wanted like a nice red car or yellow or something like that, we'll let you guys choose that. We're gonna have things called like auto shops, and then we'll let you guys choose the colors of your cars. But as far as building goes, it's really hard to do that, and I'll tell you why. Because meshes, we unwrap them. So like when I go into edit mode, you hit U and it'll unwrap, which basically assigns all the faces to a part of the texture. You guys can see here. So all these, this is the side of the gas station, and it projects itself onto the texture. Now the problem is that Roblox, we couldn't change the texture because that would require us to map it for every mesh. And Roblox also doesn't let you change the meshes in a script either because it has to recalculate the physics, and that's really laggy. So we can't actually change the texture in a way that you guys want. So to combat that, we've made it so where there's lots to choose from, a lot of options. There's blue, orange, green, pink, stuff like that. We're trying to give you a lot of options, even though us as developers are restricted towards flat-out customization. An alternative to that would be me exporting the faces individually. So if I wanted to allow you guys to color this, I could export these stripes and such individually, but that's really tedious. So the easiest way for both us and you guys, physics-wise, and because of the mesh limitations, is just to give you a bunch of options. But for the cars, we have to rig them individually. So I have to export the glass for the car individually anyways. So for that reason, we're letting you guys color the cars. I hope that made sense. Okay. Model the car I showed you in DMs. Okay, I will, I promise. Roof making company. Man. What about red? Red gas station? Yeah, let's do that real quick. That was the last one I was gonna plan. Okay. Is that fine? Look, I missed the brown by like pixels. If I accidentally made this touch the brown, you guys can see here, then some of the meshes would be kind of brown and red. So you gotta be real mindful when mapping your faces. Export. And import. It's untitled. I don't know why I don't give it a title. And that'll be our final gas station. And then we'll get them set up and I will do whatever you guys want me to make next. I posted a list of stuff I need to get done in general if you guys want to check that out and then just like pick stuff off of there. Because I'm going to be doing it anyway. So if you guys want to see that made live, that's kind of cool. Let me mark off gas station off my list. Okay. City got deleted when I bought your yellow trees. Let me see what's up with that real quick. It's kind of buggy right now because we're working on restricting the land, but should be good. Shop, let's buy some yellow trees. Like when you place them, yeah, like edit mode's kind of broken right now because Sam's trying to fix something. Looks like, where even is my, I think it sent me to the wrong, what is he doing? See, he's got to do a lot of math right now. And so placement's basically broken at the moment because he's trying to fix, he's got to figure that stuff out. Why? Casino, why? What? Also, side note, those bread bowls are so nasty. Fix the roof. Can you guys stop? I hate you all. Shut up. Anyways, here's the list I was getting to. Steel Minecraft flowers, trees. I just went the variations because I didn't feel like coming up with different variations. Okay. Let's get this ready for game. I was telling you guys earlier about the we work on a 5x5 grid. Why does my studio keep doing this? I could probably close studio Blender for now. That was so loud. I love when Studio does this. It's been recently, like ever since the what you call it, propane tank. Okay, I can do a propane tank. Let me add that to my list actually. I just need like decorative stuff. Okay. Ignore all these cars. I have so many cars in Unity that I need to port over to Blender, that I need to port over to Roblox. It's kind of annoying. Okay, so the game works on a 5x5 grid placement system. I was talking about this earlier. So in order to do this, I just need to start off like that. And since most gas stations are on concrete, I'm just going to leave the transparency to 1 and just color it a like concrete-y color. Let me actually do this. Oops. Let me get the road mesh from replicated storage. Our loaded items. Where did we put that? Let's get the concrete, the sidewalk. What's it called? I feel like brain dead when I do this. Why is there intersections here? We deleted those. Anyways. Am I like blind? Road. Like, I'm so blind. And what I'm going to do is use color picker to get a color the same as the sidewalk. Make sure to paste this into workspace, not replicated storage. Alright. So I want it to be kind of like seamless in a way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to color. And I'm going to use the color picker. And just copy this concrete color so nobody is mad at me. That matches pretty fine, right? Change material to smooth plastic. Should be fine. Okay, now we can get rid of that. Oops. And we're just gonna make this whole thing sit on a concrete slab. Oh, okay. Name it bread bowl. You can actually, we're gonna let, I think I said this earlier, jerry can propane tank oil spills. Okay, I'll write that down. You can actually, we're going to make it to where you can customize your own signs. So if you want to name your street, you can. Stuff like that. Just filter. Styrofoam station. Custom sign is a dumb idea. No, we have filtering enabled. All Roblox games actually moderate that. So like if our game, if it triggers the inward so many times, like they track that. For the in-game stuff, if our game does that, they'll take down our game. So we have to enable filtering, like for signs and other UIs and such. So slurs and stuff like that won't be a problem. Just make this like that big. Oof. Okay. Should be fine. Floating a little bit, so let's just move that up. Should be fine. And just duplicate this. It's kind of hard to test the game right now because Sam broke it. Thanks, Sam. Once it's working again, we'll have to make sure all these are correct. I hate using pallets that take up so much room because this is space that you could have been putting other items. But that's just how it is, I guess. That should be fine. I'm not going to make them transparent because they should be sitting on some sort of palette. I don't like how this looks so tan, so I'm just going to make it a bit lighter. That should be fine. Okay. Just group them. Set a primary part so the placement system knows which part to, I don't even know how to explain, but just do it. That's what I'm doing at least. Yeah. Okay, group it. Primary part. Watch Sam come through and delete all of these. Group. And then primary part, rinse and repeat. You have to group it in order to set a primary part. You can't, like, I've seen people union stuff like this. Kind of ghetto, by the way. I hate unioning. Cool. Should be fine. Alright, now we gotta give them names. Right click to rename. Why is it not letting me rename? Everything's giving me problems today. What in the... What? What even? Red gas station. Is gas station one word or 2 words? 2 words. Darken just a little bit. The filter, what are you talking about? 2? Can we legally rob it? If that's what you want. We'll add jails and stuff. If you want to arrest people for robbing your gas station. Pink gas. Oops, gas. That person's been asking in the chat to call it green apple. So you get your way. I'll call it green apple. Now you can brag about that when the game blows up. Blue gas station. Okay, now we take all these and we drag them into replicated storage. This will just store them all for us for the placement system. Just drop it into the, oops, not into the apple tree, into the loaded items. And then we just have to add some item data for those. It's going to be ID 41. Or 42, sorry. The first one we had, what were the colors we had? Oh, God. Oh, no. Can somebody please list to me all the colors that we had? I know we had a red. Red gas station. Category is business. How do you spell business? I probably spelled that wrong. Yep. There we go. You're gonna earn, how much money do we want to earn off of gas stations? Let's copy the amount that we do for the donut. Well, it'll make more than a donut shop. Let's do like 950. The population, it's going to give you 0. And it's going to use 10 workers. Now I need a list of all the colors that we did. How many did we do? 5? Blue gas station, Benny's blue gas station. Red, blue, orange, pink, green. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna copy these names. Make this easier on myself. There's a reason Sam's the coder. that was the reason. Okay. What is it trying to do here? I'm sorry, Sam. What even? Okay. We're just gonna pretend I didn't touch that code. We got green, red, pink. We have blue and an orange. Is that what I'm missing? Please help. You guys are helping me stay on track. Blue. Should I make them each give different amounts? I don't want people to be nitpicky about it either. I'm not buying the blue because the blue doesn't make as much as the green, which doesn't make as much as the pink. Blue, pink, green, red. What was the last one? Orange. I'll make them make all the same amount. Let's go test and make sure they're in the shop. Did I anchor those? Oh god, that scared me so much. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yep, you can see they're all here. Orange, pink, blue, yeah. You can buy them all. They're oriented like the wrong way, so I'll make Sam fix that. All you have to do is rotate something, but I don't feel like it. They're not anchored, so we can anchor those real quick. Y'all making fun of the roof, but Sam's gonna call it hot. He's gonna be like, wow. Look, studio keeps crashing every time I stop playtesting. That's so annoying. Business. Oh no, guys. Stop. Stop. Who did that? Who made that? I just want to talk. It's not that bad. Why does this keep ear raping? It's really not that bad, I promise. What the heck? We forgot to anchor all the gas stations, so we're just gonna do this. Anchor everything. Hit play. Stop! Don't talk to me. I'm gonna make the thing brighter. Look, it works. Right? Why is it so big? Did I make it big? Oh well. I'll shrink that in a moment. Okay. Just place a bunch of houses. Because it's giving me a population requirement. There's a grid that's supposed to be here, but Sam broke the game, so please don't judge based off of how broken it is. This is Sam's fault, but he'll fix it later. I mean, it's fine. I should probably scale it down a bit. This is, like, really large. But that means work. We'll fix it, don't worry. Bread bowl. Can you stop? Because gas stations don't have triangular roofs. This is my own creative freedom. Oh, now I gotta scale all this down. This is gay. Wow, I love you guys keeping me company in the stream. Okay, let's see here. And I made so many, now I gotta go change every friggin' one. I'm really out here doing the most for y'all, and y'all just roasted me. But okay. Oh, gotta drag them all back to workspace and out of replicated storage. Maybe this is why Sam complains. Should I even bother? Like, really? Who cares? Which one did I... Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I can count. Okay, we're gonna scale them all down by 3. Sure. I could have sworn I used an NPC. That means I have to change the palette to... That's so gay. Is that fine? That's still pretty big. Is that fine? That's fine. Let's check the car thing. That's also fine. I have no clue why they're so big, but okay. I'm dumb. That's fine, right? Yes. Now we gotta scale the palette down accordingly. We have to move it in increments of 5. Like so. Christina, you can make fun of me all you want, but deep down, I'm kind of a genius. Like, for real. Let's position this correctly. Cool. So, I can show you guys what I mean for this. We were talking about allowing you guys to just choose the color of your own, and I was talking about the Roblox won't let me change meshes. We could change the texture, but here's the problem. So we have the mesh, right? And let's say I wanted the pink texture. So I go to the texture here, and I copy it, right? Copy the ID. Now if I wanted to paste it to here, look, we'll get rid of the texture. Now I want the pink texture, right? Let's paste it. See, it's still red. Sorry, I keep hitting my mic. It's still red, and that's because the texture doesn't map itself onto the mesh. The mesh maps itself onto the texture. So this will automatically always be red because these parts are trained to be red versus these parts which are trained to be pink, which these are trained to be orange. The mesh is the one that's getting colored, if that makes sense. So in order to let you guys customize it, we'd have to change the mesh every time, which is impossible because Roblox doesn't let us do that because of physics. They have to recalculate every time and yada, yada, yada. It's really hard for us to do that for you. So instead, we're giving you lots of colors to choose from. Hopefully, you guys understand what I'm talking about a little better now. Oops. Got a new game plan. So what I'm going to do is take this size. Make them all the same size, of course. Right? Let's group this one, duplicate it, move it over. What I'm going to do is ungroup this. Let's copy the position right here. Oops. Let's copy the position. And we'll paste that exact position, delete that, and paste that position here. Just like that. Let's group that, copy it, do that, and get rid of this. Now we're going to paste the position again. I just did the pink. I'm so stupid. This is like so weird the way I'm doing this. But y'all think of something better and let me know. Okay, now we got them all the same size and on the same palette size as well. And they're all aligned the exact same too. Oh, fuck, I forgot the pink. Oh, no, I didn't. Did I not just go? I'm so slow. Sorry. When I make games, my brain hurts. Group them all. And we have to set the primary part again. I'm not fixing the roof. Primary part, set it to part. And we'll have to rename all of these. Make sure they're all anchored as well, which they are. Just name these. Oops. Okay. And just put these all in replicated storage, and we should have proportional buildings now. It's kind of annoying to fix stupid mistakes like that, but gotta do it. Now let's check it out. Building or whatever is broken because Sam can't do math, but we can kind of get an idea of the size. Yep, that looks to be good. Should be fine. Pretty cool. Okay, now the dreaded cars should fit in there fine. Cars are fun on this game. I can't wait till Sam finishes those up. Okay, we got hotel. We finished our gas station. Let's just do some trees because I'm kind of burnt out on buildings right now. I've got pine tree planned, willow, we have oak, birch, palm, we have cherry blossom tree, bonsai, and then like aspen trees and such. I'm not a tree person. I can't handle another roof today. That sounds like a personal problem to me. Because that roof be looking mighty fine. Y'all liking these cars? What color should this be? We'll let you choose the colors of the cars. Don't make fun of it. I like orange. Like, let's see here. Which one did I choose earlier? Oh, I liked this one. That one was hot. That's cool. Whatever. And then we have wheels here that we'll put on it sometime. Gotta rig them all up first. Okay. Let's see here. Shut up, Christina. You're not funny. I don't feel like texturing it. Like all those. Let's do a different tree because I don't feel like doing that right now. I might just do this but make it all yellow or all white or whatever. Or should I do one of these? Which tree should I make? My tree people? Oops. Something like this. Yeah, let's do it. Why not? Love the good old blender. I'm probably not going to explain this one as much. You'll just have to watch. Then we'll make branches later. Shut up. The second one, since you're too lazy to add any black. Let's do a lighter pink. That'll be fine. I think we should change the leaves a bit more. Add another branch, small. Okay. I'm going to change them so they don't look the exact same. Here's what I'm going to do. How's that? That looks really good. Thanks. Should be fine, right? It looks better than before. I mean, we can compare the before and after. Okay, look at this. Now let me import the other one. Okay, so maybe it is the little things that make the difference. That's funny. You versus the person she tells you not to worry about. What's up, Sam? Ignore this. This is a before and after. We're not using this. So we did some gas stations earlier. Oh, and by the way, Sam, your game's broken. Placement's not working at all, and it's not my fault, I promise. Let me show you what I meant. I think it's your math, unless you already know about this. Go to like shop, we can buy a gas station stuff. We go to place it, right? There's no grid, and then it doesn't stay. Oh, well, you can only place one thing at a time. It's like if I place this apartment and then I go to place a gas station, it'll remove the apartment. So yeah, but the gas station looks pretty hot. Like if I brag on myself. Got them all set up. Got a red, a pink, an orange, a blue, and a green. And we can get rid of any one of them that you don't like. And then we were working on some trees and stuff. I know it's broke. Nice, Sam. Why does Studio keep doing this today? It's pretty annoying. I need food. Let me order some food. Okay, do we like this tree? Should we add it to the game or hold off? Add to game or hold off? Question mark. We need like a pine tree. We don't have any of those in the game yet. Like the tree, okay. I don't know what tree it is. A cherry blossom. That's what it is. Supposedly. What's this? Let me copy this. Oh. Okay. Guess it's the same tree? Question mark? I don't know. I'm not a tree person. That's literally the same tree. Cool. This person knows cooler tree words than I do. Secure tree. It's cherry blossom tree. Palm tree? Oh yeah, I haven't made any palm trees yet. Alright, we need a palm tree and a pine tree. Pine tree is going to take me like 1 minute to make, so I'm just going to go ahead and get that out of the way. Insert a circle. I'm going to give it 7 vertices. Keep everything low poly. Watch your vertices, all the edges and stuff. Extrude. Scale it in. This one's not going to be as crazy. Should be fine. That's the stem. Insert another circle. We're going to do like 9. I feel like I made a pine tree on stream before. Scale it up. We can use the same base for a palm tree. So I'm just going to duplicate that and save myself some time. Edit mode, F to fill, E to extrude, and scale it down. Right? I don't know, I'm just making this up. I always act like I know what I'm doing, but I just make stuff up on the spot. I'm just extruding and scaling stuff, really. Make sure to make your stem and your leaves as separate meshes, because it's really annoying to color them. So I'll save you guys the trouble and just warn you about that now, because then you'll have to go and select every single one of these leaves and stuff individually. That's kind of ugly. if I move it up? That'd be fine. Okay. We're gonna make this thinner. Alt right click and S. Just make it thinner. How's that? Is this ugly? I don't know. If y'all think it's ugly, then don't put it in your city when the game releases. Because I'm not gonna change it. Let's color the stem a dark brown. And then this we'll do a light, or a dark green, I mean. Then we'll make a palm tree. Cool. Y'all like my tree? Tree gang. I don't like the leaves on this, but I'm just like being hard on myself, I think. Oops, we forgot to get do selection only, so just select these two, hit export, and then make sure to hit selection only right here, then export it. And now we can import that again. This pine tree doesn't look stylized really, so thinking about, okay, here's one, right? And then let's drag this down a little bit. Let's drag this down a little bit, and then let's go here, and we'll drag this one down a little bit. Let's actually, gotta go here. Oh no. Also, everything's so like uniform. I don't know if I like it. I think it'll probably be fine. Let's export this and check it out. See if it holds up to this one. Maybe I'll just stick with the original one. Maybe I'm just being too picky. Dang it, I did that again. Selection only. Fuck. I keep accidentally selecting. Okay, just these. Control J to join them and export them. That should be good. I'll show them side by side and you guys can choose. Keep the old one or use a new one. I mean, I guess only real difference is I kind of prefer this one. What do you guys think? Do you just curse on my Christian Minecraft server? She lives in Florida and she doesn't know what a palm tree looks like. This is not a palm tree. I didn't say palm tree. New one? Same as for a palm tree. I'll do that next. Chill. Calm your titties. Which one? Old or new? Whatever. Okay, we'll do palm tree now. Okay, let's see if I even know how. Let me think. Give my brain a minute. Okay, I know what to do. Just had to think.
Come on, E.T. E.T. Didn't know E.T.
Okay, it's her 8 vertices.
What is she doing?
And scale it in and down. Right? So this is gonna be like the end of. Okay, look, I'll just show you because I can't really describe.
Why is she doing that now? That's new for her.
They're not barking anymore.
We've spoiled them with all of that, taking them in the car when we go places.
Don't ask.
So the door opens and they're like, oh, here we go.
Okay, this is a leaf. Makes random object. This is a leaf.
Sorry, dog.
Trust the process, people.
I got it all.
Right?
Come on.
So now we just gotta bend the leaf. Just trust me, I know what I'm making up. If I do this, can I bend? Okay, not the way I want it. Let's go to,
E.T., come on.
if I do this. That's not what I need. I need to like, didn't we run into this problem earlier with like the hot dog thing? Check DMs so we can reveal your evil plans. Oh no. Okay, fix game. Wait, oh man, you tricked me. For the Lonnie Hotel. Okay. Let's just do it this way.
You're okay, come on. Come on, E.T. Go. Think of it, where are you?
Trust me, this is gonna look decent. Now, in theory, if I rotate it. Oh, frick. Like that. And then, if I scale it down. Trust me, it's a leaf. It's just. Let's grab this bad boy. Look, listen. I've never made a palm tree before. If it's too janky, then we'll figure it out. So, and then I'll make this thing curve. I'm not even gonna look at the chat, so y'all gonna roast me. It's a banana. Now we seen your freak chamber. Shut up, Sam.
my mom goes in schools.
Oops. I use Smart UV Project, but you can UV unwrap however you want.
They got these for their camper,
Okay.
but they're too big to fit in the cabinet. So, there's that. I wasn't interested in it, but I can't get into it. Ish. I don't know, anxious for some reason. I don't know why. Huh?
No. Christian's been all that bullshit.
Do you think it's fine?
Might be a little too,
You're right.
the green. We can tone it down a little bit.
No matter how much damage is done. Right?
Huh?
Damage is done.
Yeah, see, the problem matter is like, we could do better. Like, that's the thing. Mine was just fine. Consistently.
Right. It's old. It's old.
Okay, let's randomize these a little bit.
You're not telling me
Just going to edit mode. Do it this way.
I dumped out because I thought we'd lose power. It was flooding. Technically, they're doing parkour.
I want to check this green in Roblox real quick and just make sure it's not like so terribly bright. And I'll just go ahead and fix the color.
Yeah, got it.
I think that green's fine. Maybe a little darker. What do you guys think for the green? Oops. After this, I'm gonna get some food.
Parkour, parkour.
Alright, I think that should be it, unless the green's still too dark. We shall see. I think that's fine. Christina's opinion doesn't count. Okay, so we got like 5 gas stations, 3 trees, and a hotel done. I think that's all I'm gonna do for right now, but I'm gonna be working on it again after I eat. If you guys watch this stream, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned stuff. Shut up! Shut up, Christina. Okay, I'm done. Bye, guys.